It's fine. Anyway, 2.3x plus 1.8y equal 5.1, 0.9x 2.4y. Alright, good. Alright, so if my tablet dead, you know, it's fine. Alright. What am I doing now? Right, the line. Okay, so here's what I believe. Just like before. Alright, hold on. Give me a second here. Yeah. So we're going to multiply everything by 10. Just multiply everything by 10. We're multiplying all of that by 10, this by 10, all of this by 10, that by 10. So it's going to look like 23x plus 18y equal 51. 9x plus 24y equal 3. Alright, so okay. So let's be careful with this now. You know what? Alright. We'll have to be real careful. The LCM of 9 and 23 is what? Unfortunately, the LCM of 9 and 23 is literally 9 times 23. So we just have to multiply 23 by 9. Right? So 230 minus 23, looking like 207, right? So therefore, the LCM of the LCM of 9 and 23 is 207. Alright? Because if you multiply 23 by 10, you get 230. 23 times 1, 23, subtract it from that, you get that. 10 minus 1 is 9, so if you multiply 23 by 10 minus 1, you end up with, so that is your 23 times 10. That's your 23 times minus 1. Yeah. So either way, that's going to be, so we want this to be 207x, and we want this to be 207x. Right? So we're going to get the two of them right there. Alright? Yeah. So we have the two of them. So that take care of that. No, the 18 and the 24. 18 and 24 is different now. This is 2 by 3 by 3. So this one now we have to be a little bit more careful with it now. So circle this and circle that. So we're going to be using the 2 by 2 by 2. Can I have more space? No? So you want the biggest house for the family possible, right? So then for the 3's now, we use this. So the LCM of 18 and 24 is going to be 72. So therefore, we're aiming to have 207x, and we're aiming to have 72y. So for one line, we're going to multiply this by 9, that by 23. Then on the other side, we're going to multiply, so I have to be careful now. I forgot that I never write the 72 in the full form, right? So 18, right, okay. So if you separate the 18 from everything, you're left with 2 by 2, so 18 is multiplied by 4. So you multiply the 18 by the 4, and then the 24 you multiply by the 3. Yeah, we can do that. So let's get rid of that. So we have the left side and the right. The X and the Y. So what we do to X on this side, what we do to Y on that side. So 23 times the 9 is 207x. So 9 times 23. So we're doing 9 times everything up here. So 9 times 23, then 9 times 18. So what is that now? So why did I do that? Look at what I'm doing. Why? Come on. 18, you know, not 180. So I need to be, yeah. Look at that. So it's 18 times 9. Okay, so we have 2 here, carry a 1. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Alright, so that will be plus 162. Y equal, what is it? You know, listen, this is too, move it over a little bit. I'll give myself some more space, yeah? So 207x plus 162y equal what? 51 times 9? So that means this will be 500 minus 41. Okay, so 459. Alright, so 459. Alright, so so we're done with that now. We multiplied all of these by 9. So multiply this by 9, this by 9, this by 9. Now down here, we'll multiply everything by 23. So, how this are going now? This is the 207x that we got from before. So now we have 23 times 24. Well, fine. That not hard for do. There we go. Alright, 23 times 4, that's looking a lot like 46 plus 46, which is 92. So this part is 92. 46 with a 0 at the end. There we go. Now this is looking like 552. So this is going to be 552y. And then now we have 23 times 3, which is 69. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. We're going to minus this from that, because these, if both of them were minuses, we would still subtract both of them. Once they have the same sign, or rather once they have the same, if both of them are positive, you subtract. If both of them are negative, you subtract. So they have the same sign in front of them. So subtract